Hello and welcome to our channel, where we help you travel smarter and for less. In today's video, we're going to share with you 10 tips for finding cheap flights. Whether you're a budget-conscious traveler or just looking to save money on your next trip, these tips will help you get the best potential deals on flights. So let's get started. Tip 1. Use flight aggregators. Flight aggregators are powerful search engines that help you find the best deals on flights by comparing prices from various airlines. Some of the most popular aggregators include Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Kayak. By using these aggregators, you can quickly find the cheapest flights available for your desired travel dates. Tip 2. Be flexible with your travel dates. Flexibility is key when it comes to finding cheap flights. Airlines often offer cheaper fares on weekdays or during off-peak travel seasons. So, try to be flexible with your travel dates and avoid peak travel times like holidays and weekends. Tip 3. Book in advance. Booking your flight in advance can also help you save money. Airlines typically offer the best deals on flights several months before departure. So, try to reserve your flight at least 2 to 3 months in advance to get the best deals. Tip 4. Use airline rewards programs. Many airlines offer rewards programs that allow you to earn points for every flight you take. These points can then be redeemed for free flights or other perks like lounge access or priority boarding. So, be sure to sign up for these programs and take advantage of the rewards they offer. Tip 5. Use multiple airlines. Sometimes, it may be cheaper to book flights with multiple airlines rather than just one. For example, you may be able to find a cheaper flight by booking a one-way ticket with one airline and a return ticket with another. So, be sure to compare prices across multiple airlines to find the best deals. Tip 6. Clear your browser cookies. Did you know that airlines can track your browsing history and raise prices if they see that you're repeatedly searching for the same flight? To avoid this, clear your web browser cookies before searching for flights. This way, airlines won't be able to track your search history and potentially raise prices. Tip 7. Book connecting flights. If you're not in a hurry, booking connecting flights can often be cheaper than booking a direct flight. So, be sure to check for connecting flights when searching for flights and compare prices to see if it's worth it. Tip 8. Travel to secondary airports. Smaller, secondary airports are often cheaper to fly into than major airports. So, if you're flexible with your travel plans, consider flying into a secondary airport and then taking a bus or train to your final destination. Tip 9. Check for student or military discounts. If you're a student or in the military, be sure to check for discounts when booking your flight. Many airlines offer special discounts for these groups, so you could potentially save a lot of money on your flight. Tip 10. Set up price alerts. Finally, set up price alerts for your desired travel dates. Many flight aggregators allow you to set up alerts that notify you when prices for a specific flight have dropped. This way, you can get the best deals without having to constantly monitor prices. Conclusion. And there you have it. 10 tips for finding cheap flights. By using these tips, you can save money on your next trip and have more money to spend on experiences and activities at your destination. So, be sure to use these tips the next time you're planning a trip. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and advice.